Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Hotstar account and the exact region you need. This matters because Hotstar blocks IP ranges. Once done, make sure the app is updated and note your device OS and current public IP for troubleshooting. You should disable simple proxy extensions now because they can leak DNS. Also log into Hotstar briefly to reproduce the error. That creates a fresh session, so the changes you make next will take effect immediately. You need a VPN built for streaming. Free services often share IPs that Hotstar flags. Pick a provider with obfuscated servers or a dedicated IP and connect to an exit server in the target country. This reduces detection risk. Next, enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so traffic can't bypass the VPN. Once connected, clear the Hotstar app cache and force stop or restart the device so the app requests fresh location data. You should test playback now. If Hotstar still reports VPN detected, sign out and sign back in to reset sessions. If the problem persists, switch to another dedicated IP server or reach out to your VPN's streaming support for a recommended node. Many providers track which servers work with Hotstar. For troubleshooting, disable IPv6 and ensure DNS is routed through the VPN. If needed, try a different device or browser to isolate client-specific issues and confirm whether the VPN or the app is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.